What's up? In my last video, I shared how cool the Comet browser is, which is an agentic browser from Perplexity. And I shared a few use cases. I am making this video to share another use case for finding emails or replying to them directly. In this first use case, we will be using it on Gmail to find a particular email with particular settings. I can do that manually, but it will take some time. Instead, I will use the assistant browser and ask it to do it on my behalf. I can either type my command or dictate it. I will click on the dictation button and start my command. Take control of this tab, go through my Gmail account, find any email which has got more than 2 MB of attachment, and the email should be from 2024 or before that. I will give it the command. Now it will take over my tab, as you can see. Now here I can enjoy doing anything I want and see Comet browser do stuff in front of my eyes, or I can open another tab and start working on something else. It's really cool to see a machine doing that on your behalf, and you can see that it is looking for email attachments that are 2 MB or larger than 2 MB, and it is doing exactly how a human would on the user interface. Here are these emails which have attachments larger than 2 MB. I could have done that myself manually, but I wanted to show you how it can be done using the assistant in the Comet browser. I can ask it to take control of my tab and then reply to a specific email as well. Let's try it. Take control of my browser, find any email that is talking about sponsored post which I have not replied to. Reply it that we can do this by offering a discount of 10%. Now this is my command and I have pressed enter. Now let's see whether the Comet browser is able to find any email using the specific command. You can see that it has taken control over my browser. On my specific tab, search for sponsored post and going through emails individually to look for the replies I have sent. Meanwhile, I can do something else, or I can completely relax and see this in action. Now let's talk about another use case, which is finding coupons. So let's go to a random website. Since I'm a blogger, web publisher, I buy sell domains. So let's go to GoDaddy. Okay, we will open godaddy.com. Now we are on godaddy.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to find a unique domain name and also find a coupon to get me the cheapest price. Let's see if it is able to do that or not. I'll click on dictation button and say take control of this tab and come up with a unique domain name that is available for my new blog, which is about teaching creators how to monetize their content. So it will be specifically about creating content and monetizing it for creators only. So domain name should be 1 or 2 word only. Also find the cheapest price. Use any coupon that is able to give me the cheapest price available on. So this is my command, which is pretty long. I will press enter and let's see whether this assistant is able to find me a domain name and a coupon to register it for cheap. Meanwhile, let's go back to our Gmail account and see what progress it has done. It has found some emails related to sponsored articles where I have not replied, and it is asking my permission to reply automatically. I will say yes, and let's see if it is able to do that on my behalf. Now it has taken control of my browser again, and let's see if it is able to reply to that email or not. I will click on continue. Now you can see that it has opened the reply box where it is typing the email and the message has been sent on my behalf. So cool. While it is doing it for other emails, let's go back to our GoDaddy tab where it is still looking for a domain name. So it is finding one word domain names, which is obviously not going to be available since a lot of people have already booked emails. Even if they are not using it, they have bought it to resell it for a better price. Let's see if it is able to find anything. So it has given me these options in the chat box itself. It has not applied it on GoDaddy website. So we see a limitation over here. Anyways, let's go back to the Gmail tab and see what it has done. Let's go to sent and see how many emails it has sent. So it has sent only one email. So let's check out another use case, which is summarizing any article. Now, there are already a lot of services, and you can also copy paste the link of articles or videos into Gemini, ChatGPT, or any other AI chat box and get an answer. This is way cooler because you don't have to do all those copy pasting. All you have to do is open any article and then click on this assistant. Can you read this for me?
Sure. The page explains how to post Instagram Reels directly from your computer. You log into Instagram on your desktop, click the Create button, and upload your video.
So you can not only get summaries of any article, you can actually listen to those summaries without having to pay anything extra. There are services that charge monthly subscription fees, but if you are a Perplexity paid subscriber and you have got access to Comet, there are a lot of other productivity tools that you will not require because it does it all like you have just seen it. You don't even need Gemini Pro subscription if you are a Gmail user. Gemini Pro gives you the option to reply to emails by clicking a button and getting the AI to write on your behalf or summarize your emails. All those things you can do right inside Gmail by clicking on this Gemini button. But if you don't have got a subscription of Gemini Pro, you can still do this automatically. Just click on the assistant and ask it to take control of your browser and reply to the email or summarize the email. You can do this inside. You don't need any other tool. Another great thing that I liked is you can directly ask it questions or do research work right from the address bar. I think this is how the future of browsing is going to be. Perplexity is in a bid to buy Google Chrome from Google because they want to reach a wider audience. And this is how browsing is going to be in future. Are you excited about it? Because I am very excited. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.